to today's video.
Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Sam and I'm the owner of Malia Stitches, which is an online kids custom boutique on Etsy. In today's video, this was requested to show you step by step how I stitch out on a onesie, so let's get started. Alright, so first I have my onesie. This is a Child of Mine or Carter onesie. I get them from Walmart in packs of 3, I believe, or 4, for under $10. So I like the Carter ones over the Gerber ones because they don't have the ridges on them and they're a little bit thicker. So for me, I think they stitch out better than the Gerber ones. So I'm just going to open it up and I hoop it just like I hoop everything else. Except I'm going to use my 7.25 by 7.25 Mighty Hoopd. I just put it on my hooping station. Take a piece of stabilizer and I cut it down to size to fit the hoop. And then I just hoop it like I hoop my t-shirts. Everything's the same. On my hoop, my collar does stick out a little bit. On the smaller sizes, I do kind of hoop it up a little bit further so that the collar might be underneath the magnet there. Just make sure everything, this is tight, and then I'm just going to go put it on the machine. Okay, so here we are in Embrilliance. Hopefully you can see this okay. For this, I go up here. This is how you select your hoop sizes. I have my Mighty Hoopds pre-programmed in here. To do that, you would just hit New and then name it what you want and then put the dimensions in here and hit OK. And that will save it over here in your selection box. I've got my 7.25 by 7.25 Mighty Hoopd programmed in there. As you can see, it's smaller than my original design, so I am going to adjust this design to fit into this hoop. With this particular design, I know that I can size it a little bit and it won't affect the way it stitches out. That is not the case for every design, so please do trial and error or test it out first before you put it on a shirt. And some designs, most designs come with different sizes of the design itself, so you may have to choose a smaller design to fit it inside the hoop space. But for this design, it does allow me to make some adjustments to the size. So then I just fit it in the hoop. Let's see. So as long as you're like 6 inches, if you're using the 7.25 Mighty Hoopd, as long as you're 6 inches wide by 6 inches tall, you should fit perfectly inside the hoop. So I've already done up the design previously to starting this video, so I just wanted to do a quick description of how I do that in Embrilliance. So let's go to Melco software here. Also, Melco allows you to preset Mighty Hoopds, so I do have those saved in here. They already have the hoops sized up in there. You can select them so that they show up in this drop down box, and that's what I did there. So I'm going to click my 7.25 Mighty Hoop, and then I'm going to bring in my design. And as you can see, it fits perfectly in there. And then I'm just going to go through and select the colors, put the applique steps in. This design has 6 applique steps. I think I have all the colors on the machine that I need for this design, so that's good. Oh, I don't have the blue, so I'll have to put the blue on there. We'll change this one to the blue. Okay, so it is ready to stitch out. So we'll go to the machine. All right, so here I'm going to trace to make sure that the design fits inside the hoop. And it does, and you always want to make sure that underneath, I don't know if you can see, but underneath the arm of the machine is inside the shirt. So that's, with these smaller garments, you have to make sure, always kind of constantly check and make sure that that is underneath there or in between the layers, so that you're not stitching the layers together. So here we go. This is basically the same as everything else. Any other shirt, you're just going to put your applique on, stitch your design out, and you'll be done. It's all cleaned up. So now all you have to do is cut the stabilizer around the design on the back, just like you do your other shirts, and put your Tender Touch on, and it's ready to go. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comments below, and I'll try and answer them the best I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!